Oleaso. Today's word of the day is with. With is used in two ways in Samoan. You're either talking about people, as in I'm going to the park with my friend, or you're talking about something that you're using as a tool, like I'm talking to you all with my hands. So the first example, I'm going to the park with my friend, we're talking about people, so you're going to use the word ma. Olea o alu ile malaika alo ma la uo. Another common term you'll hear is fa'atasima, as in together with or along with another person. So, olea o alu ile malaika alo fa'atasima la uo. The other way to use with is as a tool. I'm talking to you all with my hands. So I'm using my hand as a tool. I'm using my hand as a tool, so it's I lo'ulima. I clean the house with a vacuum. Na okapena ina le fale ile vacuum. I don't know the Samoan word for vacuum. The vacuum is a tool, so ile vacuum. What if I clean the house with malia? Na okapena ina le fale ma malia. You could also say fa'atasima malia. I think you get the point. There will also be expressions that might not be so clear-cut. This lesson is a general introduction so that you just know the basic differences between ma and I. Ma and I, translated as with. That's your word of the day.